Do you want to know how to add two-step verification on your Notion account? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add two-step verification on your Notion account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the drop-down menu or the drop-down icon which is at the top left corner of your screen right beside your username. Once you do that, a small menu will appear on your screen. Go ahead and tap on settings from there, then select my account. Under my account, you'll see the category account security where you'll find two-step verification option. Tap on add verification method, then go ahead and type in your password. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on continue. Make sure you don't make any errors while typing in your password. Once you do that, you can see two options there, code from authenticator or text me a code. Go ahead and select one of those, then type in the code sent by the Notion, then you'll successfully add two-step verification to your Notion account. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.